All right, so now you are in Canvas and you are on your dashboard. Yours is going to have something like your health, your science, your social studies, ELA, and then you'll click on whatever course that is. So know that you always have this toolbar to your left, and you'll have your dashboard that shows you all your courses. You have another courses link that just puts it out to another toolbar side where you can easily click on it. Your calendar, your inbox, and then you'll have a help button. Okay, so I'm going to click on PE. Okay, so I have a bunch of PEs on here, but this is the one I'm going to show you in. So you'll have your home page, your welcome page, and then most likely your page will have buttons down here, and mine aren't showing up right now, but you're going to, in order to access the material, you're going to click on Learning Modules right here. Don't worry about anything on this side. If it has an eyeball right here, you're not going to see it. The teacher has disabled it. So you'll only see your home, your announcements, your modules, and your grades. That's all you're going to see. Okay? So you will click on the Zoom link in order to access the Zoom for that class that day, whenever that class period is. You can also click on the class schedule if your teacher's homepage has one. And then you can also click on Learning Modules or any of the other buttons to go to where you need to go. Okay, so I'm going to click on Learning Modules because that's basically, modules are your units, or they are what you're going to learn in a period of time. Okay, so I'm going to click on Learning Modules, and this is most likely what you're going to see. You're going to see Unit 1, like a welcome to Miss Leopold's class, or welcome to Mr. Dooley, or Coach Abel's class. And then you'll have your activities, and they're listed in order that you need to get them done. Okay? If it has a page, just like this, then it's just going to be information for you, and it might tell you to go somewhere, or read something, or watch this video. But a page is just an informational thing for you, okay? If it has a page and a pencil, it means it's something that you need to do and you need to respond in. Okay, so you might have to create a video and submit it. You might have to answer a question. You might have to write a paragraph. You might have to design something. And then if it is a rocket ship like this, then that means it's a quiz, okay? So that means it's going to be some kind of assessment, formal assessment, where you're having to answer questions to check if you understood the material, okay? There's also another button, I don't think I have it up. Oh, this little bubble right here, these two little comments, that's a discussion. So if you go to that, then it might give you a topic, a little blurb like, tell me something, or what do you know about hiking or geocaching? And then you'll have to answer, and then someone else will answer underneath you. And then you can go back and you can read, well, so-and-so said geocaching is a video game. And then someone else said, no, I know that geocaching is when you go hiking and you're on a mission to find a certain location on the trail that has like a treasure box. So 3 things to know. On your homepage, your modules is what you're going to learn and how you're going to learn it. It's organizing your activities. You have a page, information, page and a pencil, an assignment, something that you have to respond on. And a rocket thing is your quiz. And lastly, your little discussion. Okay, so hopefully that helps you understand what each different picture means. Most likely your teachers will have them in order. You need to complete these in order. Okay. Alrighty, hope that helps.